Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. And today's video I will be making a Cambodian Tirk Prohok sauce, and we eat this with a grilled meat such as steak or some other meat such as organ. This sauce is very delicious and you'll like it. Okay, let's get started. So I use about 1 pound of each. I'm using a tongue, pork intestine, pork stomach, and pork bun gut, and I clean them under hot water. And here I'm cutting 1 stalk lemongrass into 4 pieces, and then I am going to smash it, and then this release the aroma of the lemongrass, and this helps reduce the smell of the meat. And then here I'm cutting some small piece of galangal, and in a pot, when your water comes to a boil, go ahead add in the Kaffir lime leaf, the galangal, the lemongrass, and then I also add 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon to give it a little bit of flavor. And then add in your meat. So here go the stomach, this the intestine, and that is the bun gut. I also use pork tongue as well too. And cook this for about 1.5 to 2 hours until the meat becomes tender. And then after that, here I'm marinating some steak. This is tri-tip. I use about 2 pounds, and I marinate it with steak seasoning. This is from Costco. And then let that sit aside for about 1 to 2 hours. And then here I'm ready to start making the Prahok sauce, and I'm using the one that's already cream already, which is already chopped. And I use about 1/3 cup of the Prahok. And then I add in 1 cup of lemon juice, and then 1 cup of hot boiling water. That will help cook the fish paste a little bit. I add in 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon and 2 tablespoons of sugar to give it a little flavor. Stir until everything dissolves, and let that sit aside. Okay, and then now we start slicing 2 stalks of lemongrass, like 2 small pieces like that. And then I also use 10 Kaffir lime leaf, and you want to shred that into pieces. And it just give a nice, very nice flavor to the sauce. And also a small piece of galangal as well to slice that thinly. And then I use 1 whole clove of garlic, smash and peel, and all that ingredients, the krung, we call it krung, and we're gonna toast that to give it the nice aroma of the lemongrass and the Kaffir lime leaf. It's very flavorful. And then once that's done, about 5 minutes, then you're gonna put it in a mortar, and then you're gonna pound it with a pistol until it breaks down a little bit, but not too much. You kind of roughly break it down, okay? Because I like, you can pound it a lot or to your preference. I like mine not too smashed. And then here I have some crispy eggplants, and we're going to slice it, cut it, and then we're going to shred it, and then we're going to dump that, put that in cold water. And now you have lemon, you can also put lemon juice too. This will prevent the eggplant from turning brown. And once that, then you're going to drain out the water and let that sit aside. And then we are going to chop up some mint and hot mint. You can also use basil or cilantro or culantro. So we're going to shred the mints into small pieces. I use about 1 cup each. And then after that, we're going to put the krung, the one that you just mashed, into the Prahok sauce. And then this krung is very flavorful to the sauce. And then we're going to add in the shredded eggplant, and then give it a good mix. And then after that, lastly we're gonna add in the mint that we just shred. Okay, that's it for the sauce. So I make a big bowl. You can put it in a jar when you have extra. It lasts you for about a couple 2 months. Okay, so now after that, we are going to take care of the meat. So once your meat been cooked for about 2 hours, we're going to remove it, and we're going to put it in an air fryer for about 15 to 20 minutes at 350 degrees. This make the meat a little bit crispy, not too soggy. Okay, once that meat is done, then we're going to cook the steak at 400 degrees for about 12 minutes. I like mine a little bit medium rare. If you like your meat well done, you can leave it a little bit longer. So once your meat's cooked, you're going to cut into small pieces, bite-sized pieces, and put them on a plate. You could garnish this with cucumber, lettuce, or mint, and eat it like a wrap. It's very delicious. So here I am going to add the sauce into the bowl. I add a little bit chili to give it a nice hot flavor. You can do that last. So then I garnish it with some cucumber, and you eat it with cucumber or lettuce, like, you know, or wrap. It's pretty good. And now here I'm cutting the steak, and as you can see, I like mine a little bit medium rare, was red, with the meat is not too tough. And then I eat that with cucumber. It's just a nice texture to go with it. Okay, this is it for the video how to make the Prahok sauce, and I hope you give the recipe a try. And then you, like I said, you can eat it with steak or some grilled meat. Mainly go very well with this kind of meat. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the video, and if you do, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more video. Thank you, and bye bye.